The Kendall DL System is a single patient use portfolio of cables and lead wires designed to go from the patient to the ECG monitor. The system works with an accompanying adapter, which is reusable and compatible with most ECG monitors. Kendall DL can be used at the bedside for monitoring, but can also be used in telemetry. The system can be used for regular ECG monitoring and diagnostic 12-lead monitoring. Kendall DL is single patient use and is designed to stay with the patient throughout their hospital stay. The bright pink adapters and connectors on the Kendall DL system make the product easy to identify on your unit. The Kendall DL system has many benefits for your patients. It helps reduce the risk of cross-contamination. The pressureless push-button design reduces false leads off alarms. Lead wires can be peeled apart and customized to the size of the patient. In order to start using Kendall DL, first confirm that there is a bright pink reusable adapter in your monitor. For 3 or 5 lead monitoring, the adapter has 1 plug. For 12 lead monitoring, the adapter will have 2 plugs. If there isn't an adapter in your monitor, you'll need to install one. The side that plugs into a monitor is denoted by the arrow. Simply plug that side of the adapter into your monitor's ECG port. You are now ready to use the ECG system. Apply the electrodes to your patient according to hospital protocol. Peel your leads to the approximate length that your patient requires. Attach the leads to your patient's electrodes by pushing on the pink button, hovering over the electrode, and releasing the pink button so that the leads are secured. Once the leads are attached to the electrodes, you're ready to plug the Kendall DL system into the adapter on the monitor. The adapter and lead set connect using a heart-to-heart connection. The lead set to adapter connection works in a similar way when a patient moves to telemetry for monitoring. Although the product is designed for single patient use, if it becomes soiled while on the patient, it can be cleaned with mild soap and water. The Kendall DL cable and lead wire system should not be immersed in water. Adapters are reusable and should be cleaned via hospital protocol. They should not be immersed in water. To remove the Kendall DL lead wire system from the patient, push down on the pink button and lift the clip off of the snap on the electrode. Once monitoring is complete or a patient is discharged, you can dispose of the Kendall DL lead wire system per hospital protocol, or recycle them for reprocessing in the appropriate bin. For more information, contact your local sales representative or visit cardinalhealth.com/KendallDL.